Hey, I am Paul Darby's avatar, and this is where things get interesting. Let's talk AI for a minute. Not headline AI, not prompts, not look what it wrote for me. I am talking about what quietly changed under the hood. You may have noticed the chat feels sharper, faster, more aware of structure. That is not an accident. The core AI engine just went through a major upgrade. Most people are still using it like a toy. Here is what nobody explains. Power in AI does not come from better questions. It comes from architecture. How instructions are layered, how intent is preserved, how logic, goals, constraints, and execution are stacked before a single word is generated. That is where almost everyone stops. Inside Genius Core, that is where we start. The system is built 6 levels deep, not 6 prompts, 6 architectural layers. Each layer has a job. One layer defines strategy. One governs tone and precision. One enforces execution rules. One verifies output quality. One checks alignment with the objective. One ensures the AI actually does something. That is the difference. Most AI chats respond. This system operates. Think less chatting, more running a machine. You do not hope for a good output. You engineer one. With the recent upgrade, the system now holds structure better. It reasons across layers. It stays locked on the objective. That matters, because once you use AI that does not forget, that does not drift, that does not need babysitting, you do not go back. Genius Core is not a standalone trick. It is part of the Paul Darby system, a set of tools designed to build, launch, analyze, and move things forward. This is not about playing with AI. It is about operating at a level most people do not know exists yet. And this upgrade is just the beginning. Stick around. Things are about to get intelligently serious.